carpet, chipped flowers and bloody fingertips. Cold words came running from your lips, and you ripped that picture you ripped. The keys on the keyboard are sticky, the plugs and wires carefully ripped free. Dripping from that desk with anger, these things are eating the insides of me. Well, it's raining again, the streets are washed of sin, but darling, where have you gone? Well, it's raining again, the streets are washed of sin,